Twitter has a great search facility. You can search for particular tweets, find particular accounts, ones really local to you, and look, you can save your searches to go back to later. Here's how it's done. So let's imagine we're searching for perhaps charities in the local area. So I'll just search in Twitter for Lincolnshire charities. In fact, let's just say Lincolnshire charity. There we go, and click the magnifying glass to search. Now, first thing Twitter helps you out with is some of the top results. So usually accounts that have got reasonable following, that are particularly relevant to you, that you've been interested in before. And you can scroll through those and see if any of those are of interest. Then you can actually look at the very latest tweet. So anybody tweeting with the words Lincolnshire charity, jobs in Lincolnshire, charity fundraiser. So it's literally by the second. Now a search could be for 2 words like this, or it could be a hashtag term, like this is hash Lincolnshire jobs. The only difference is there's no characters after it, and it's a keyword, if you like, that lots of people might use, like open day or whatever. Okay, so that's the latest results. Then look at people. So anybody who's got the words Lincolnshire charity or both the words in their biography, so Lincolnshire, Lincolnshire River Trust, there's another charity, yep. So you might want to follow some of those accounts. You can see any particular photos or videos that stand out. Again, Lives is a local Lincolnshire charity, I know, and you could just click on the individual one to see the details. Okay. Videos, yeah, news, periscopes, that's the sort of live video stuff that's going on right now. But I want to narrow this down a little bit to make sure it's not somewhere further afield. So I can say search filters, and I click here, and so I could say either from anyone or just the people that I follow. I can pick the language the tweets are in. So I'm looking for just English language results. And then probably most importantly, you've got anywhere, and you can change that to near you. And this is actually one of the advanced search options. So nobody's come up in the area that I've specified, but if I click on advanced search, I can say near this place. So let's just say instead Lincoln. Sorry, I'm clicking here and say Lincoln. Lincoln, England, and you can do a date range. You can even talk about the types of tweet, whether positive, negative. If someone's asking a question, that could be useful for gathering research. So let's just say all of the words Lincolnshire and charity, and run that search now. And look, if I click on these 3 dots here, I can actually say save this search. Save search added successfully. Okay, next time we click in this search box, when it's blanked out, let's just blank it out there. Recent searches is there, and also a save search, so anytime you want to go back. So you could set up a number of searches that you're interested in and then rerun them every so often to see if there are any new results. Very useful indeed. If you'd like to get more helpful information on all aspects of social media training, why not join my free social media training group on Facebook, where I'll be posting regular content and sharing useful files that you can download and share with your connections. And please do take a look on my YouTube channel. If you search for free social media training, you'll see come up number 2 in the results, not too shabby, and you go through to it. And I very much welcome your subscribe. Then you'll be able to get all the latest videos on step-by-step basis, a free social media training playlist there, Twitter training videos. You'll get all of those sent through to you, and hopefully I'll see you on a video very soon. So I'm Paul from PR Wilson Media, your social media personal trainer. Cheers.